That is so funny. She's already recognizing yourself.
You know, and she's part of it too, isn't
Yeah.
it? You know, girls are born girls, you know.
Yeah.
There would be no interest, you know, from him.
That? They are their car trees.
Yeah.
Michaela.
Oh, score.
Okay. No.
There's a way to inflate the baby and
Michaela.
inflate the baby.
She's going after Michaela's cookies.
Food, right?
Read directions.
Cat treats.
Archie. No way.
Michaela, you want baby?
Cow treats.
Oh boy.
Cow treats.
I have to inflate it.
Cow treats. Cow treats.
Because she was soft.
Cow
She's
treats.
already inflated, but I guess there's a place to inflate her if she gets too mushy. Here we go.
She's coming. There, she's coming.
Baby. Oh, there you go.
Oh, she stabbed her.
Get the stuff off of
The
there.
sink stabbed her.
Oh, let's get these things out first.
She don't want to touch the baby anymore.
I know. We got more stuff on her. Okay, hold on. There she is.
On the arm too?
The one on her.
What is this stuff?
There we are.
Oh, there's baby.
Oh, sissy.
Cow treats.
The car treats, that's right.
Cow treats.
Wow.
Open it. Open it.
That's Daddy.
Evidently you can blow the baby up. I don't know why.
Fill it up.
I will
She's air
open
baby.
the trees.
Oh, baby,
Watch it
oh,
grow.
baby.
Natural puddles of air.
Cow treats.
Yeah, car treats. Oh, these are cool, dude.
Oh, you open them, guys.
Okay, just one, okay? Just
Yep.
one? Okay.
Yeah, that's sweet.
Daddy helps. What'd you guys get?
Had the camera.
A tent? No way, dude. Caleb's got his own tent?
That one.
Oh. Is that the present from last night?
That's great. You're going to want to put that in your book. And give some kind of title.
Let's go with the binoculars.
It's a runaway
Yeah,
sissy.
She likes to drink gas. See, they're used to the artificial grass. They
Yeah.
don't know any different.
What we have in the back?
Who needs real grass?
Who needs real grass?
Okay.
We didn't know that, you know, stinking real grass. By the way, that's where that phrase came from. We don't need no stinking badges.
Yeah.
Heard that before?
Yeah.
From Blazing Saddles.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Get the whole movie away to him.
I don't think so.
Mongol like beans.
You're such a silly sissy.
Okay.
Does he want the baby?
Alright, Caleb just got his tent. We finished putting it together. Caleb, ready to go in the tent?
Yeah.
That's over here. Look, the door's right here.
There's the zipper. Where's the zipper? The zipper's on this side.
Oh my gosh.
No, sissy.
Zipper here some more. Zipper. Get to the top. There it is. Zip down. It's your house. Where's your little chair to go inside your house?
I don't know.
I don't know. Where to go by the
Over there in
door?
the corner.
Over there, by the window.
This chair?
Over down by the window.
Okay, go get it. Put it in your tent.
Oh, there's that little window too.
Candy? You're blocking progress.
Okay. Go put your seat in.
Go in.
No, take your seat inside. Inside your tent. Lift your feet up. There you go. Down, duck. There you go.
Caleb's got a little fort.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's Caleb's place.
Now, take your binoculars in there. You put your binoculars in there.
That's cool.
And oops, and what is it?
Mari's gonna have a great time with that.
Yeah, he is.
A little cap or something should go on that.
Uh-oh. Open it up.
Okay, just take one at a time. One at a time. Not that one. That's it.
Ride this horsey? This is hasn't quite figured it out yet.
Let me see. Grandpa? One's a great grandpa. The other's not a grandpa. The other's not a grandpa. The other's not a grandpa.
Well, they have kids.
Caleb, no more riding the horses?
Yeah, but they're all good people. They enjoy it.
Daddy under attack with a horsey.
The kernel of the corn.
Yeah.
I really got confident, which is the outside of the corn. Chris and me, they all do all they do is they take on the table on whatever you're doing.
Four, yeah, 4 or 5. It's Christmas Day, about 10 o'clock, and we're gonna give Caleb his Christmas present. Michaela's sleeping. She'll see it a little later. And here comes Caleb. Oh, Merry Christmas!
Open it.
What is it?
A towel.
Oh boy.
Are you sure it's a car? I pull the car. Pull the bag up. Oh my goodness.
Oh
my
goodness.
Caleb, what in the world?
What is it?
A towel.
What do you think, bud?
Oh my goodness, it looks just like the one your daddy used to have.
He wasn't here for that.
I know, but he's seen pictures of it. Oh my goodness.
They never had a top.
Look at that.
What do you think, bud?
What do you think? What do you say your dad? You say thank you?
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome, bud.
He's pretty busy here.
All right. You use this to press forward. Look. Now you go forward.
Go forward.
That way. They now push the accelerator.
Now push that down with your foot.
Yeah, that's right. Push that down.
Yeah, press that. Press this. Press this. Press it and then steer.
There you go.
Uh-oh, going backwards again. Go forward.
Go forward.
Push it forward.
Push it forward.
Oh, you did out.
Can you get out?
He just needs to recalibrate.
Yeah, this is a little overwhelming.
Oh my goodness, Caleb, what do you think?
He
Like
needs
that?
to step back a little bit.
Look at that. It's
Wow.
beautiful.
Wow.
Yeah, he's a little overwhelmed right now. Sissy can fit in there too.
Yeah, with him, he's set back. Yeah, you're exactly right.
You're right, you might need to move that seat back a little bit.
with you too.
I think that seat does need to go back a
No,
little
it
bit.
doesn't,
Yeah?
honey. It doesn't.
You put this. Press it forward.
Go forward.
Good, good job.
Push this thing forward here.
That goes forward.
Now go.
Now,
No, go forward.
Yep, there you go. That way.
Now go forward.
He'll take a bits and pieces.
Good job. Is that fun?
Yeah.
I like the rearview mirror.
Yeah,
It's so cute.
they really did all the details.
Pretty cute, isn't it?
That's because they know this is for Dad. How many pounds do you have to lose before driving the car?
25.
Only 24.
25.
Yeah, making progress.
So Christian's gonna make himself stick and bones so he can drive in the car.
Now you're going to go backwards or forwards?
A forward.
Okay, so go
Well, you be careful. You're gonna go into the swing set.
Now forward.
Now, that's back. That's back.
He's starting the music.
Hey, guys, just let him work through it, okay?
Is that the horn?
Watch out, Mom.